if you want to test to see if your machine is actually threaded right for the top thread, watch this. Right now the presser foot is up and I can gently pull the thread out the needle. When the presser foot is down, it should be very tight to pull. That needle down there should be bending as you're pulling, and nothing or no thread should be coming through the eye. That is when you have the machine threaded. It's pretty much the tension right down here where you first went over the front of the machine, that your thread has gotten sunk down into the discs. There's two discs in there that actually open when the presser foot is up and close when the presser foot is down. And that's why I always say make sure you thread the machine with the presser foot up, because then those discs are open, the thread gets sunk down all the way nice and deep, and as you keep going, then you have, and when you start to sew, they close and you're sewing with tension. And with that little needle bending, that is with tension. Now, if you've ever seen those big hairy loops on the back of your fabric, that's because your thread is not in this top tension. So that's the little test. So when people call and say, oh, I've got these hairy loops on the back of my fabric, I'll have them lower the presser foot down, and if the thread is coming loosely through that needle, that's just obvious that the thread is not where it needs to be. And I just have them rethread the machine. As simple as that. And that's why you always want to rethread the machine from the beginning, way back here at the spool, not like partially halfway threaded, because the problem is always right here. And you know what? That's operator error. So we just need to get past that. Every so often I get it too, where I didn't thread the machine right and my threads are not where they should be. So that's a great little test to see if you've threaded the machine right.